How to get New Year effect on Instagram message. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So Instagram frequently introduces special effects for messages during holidays and celebrations like New Year. And here's how you can use the New Year effect in your Instagram messages. So first of all, you have to update your Instagram app. So for that, you can go to Play Store, search for Instagram application. And once you find it, tap on it and then click on update if it's available to update it to its latest version. After that, launch your Instagram and then go to direct messages, that is DM section in the top. Select a conversation where you want to send your New Year message. Now type a message. Enter a New Year greeting such as Happy New Year or any celebratory phrase. The New Year effect will only be visible during the day of New Year. Click on the search icon or the magnifying glass or the sparkle icon next to the text box. A menu will appear with effects like confetti, balloons, and other festive animations. Choose the effect you want to send. Instagram often features holiday-themed stickers and GIFs. Tap on the sticker or GIF icon to message bar to browse New Year-themed options. And if you don't see the New Year effect, you can restart the application. Check your region because some effects may not be available in all the countries. And if the problem continues, you can uninstall and then reinstall the app. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.